So today I'm talking about a Volkswagen with the P0321 code, what it is and how you could go about fixing it. And so what is a Volkswagen P0321 code? Well, it's an ignition, distributor, engine speed, input, circuit range performance. And so what does this mean? Well, the engine's going to have what's called the engine speed sensor, and this sensor is also known as a crankshaft position sensor, and it's just reporting back to the computer how fast the engine's turning and the location of the crankshaft as it spins. The sensor is going to be located down around the crankshaft, and the way this sensor works is that it detects any time a piece of metal is directly in front of it. The crankshaft is going to have notches built into it, and as it spins, the sensor is going to be able to detect that, and it's going to report this information back to the computer, and the computer can do its calculations and know how fast that crankshaft is spinning along with the location that it's at. But when you get this P0321 code, the computer's seeing a problem with this sensor, and so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a VW with the P0321 code? Well, the main things that's going to cause this is either that sensor's gone bad and needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. So the first thing to go and do is to go and locate that sensor on your particular engine, since the location is going to vary. Here's an example of a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta, 1.8 liter, and it's going to be located right down in here, right up by the oil filter. And here's another example of a 2015 Volkswagen 3.6 liter, and in this diagram it's located at number 25. Which is going to be right up in here. Here's the dipstick to check the oil, and it's located right up by that. But the first thing to do would be to locate where that sensor is located on your particular engine. There's some different ways to go about testing these sensors. If you have a multimeter and you can look up what the rated ohm values are for that particular sensor, you can go and test the sensor that way. You can also use a multimeter to check the voltage going to the sensor, along with the signal wire going back to the computer. Be sure that's good. And then if that's good, very likely it's a bad sensor. I made a video on how you go about testing this sensor, along with the wiring going to it. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. But the main things that's going to cause this is a bad engine speed sensor or the wiring going to it. And the last thing on the list is going to be a bad engine control module. This isn't going to be too common. Usually when you get a P0321 code, it's going to be either a bad sensor or the wiring going to it. Also, usually when a computer does go bad, usually there's going to be a lot of other codes. There just won't be just one code. One thing to mention is that if you do think you have a bad computer, be sure that the battery's good. Be sure that the battery terminals all look like they're good, that there's no corrosion or anything like this. Because all these computers, they need a good, stable power supply, or that could cause them to have issues, and they could start setting codes. But the last thing on the list is going to be a bad engine control module. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Volkswagen with the P0321 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.